Sorry, that's the cone. If you guys can see, that's a cone. So nice and strong. Soaker. Water your plants. Full. The angle. Shower. Mist. Center. Flat. Back to cone. That's pretty much it. All right, today we're gonna bring a non-expandable water hose. Now everything you see is included, including some gaskets, some washers. All right, this is for the internal, for it won't leak any water for the hose. All right, so there's extra ones in here because they dissolve after a while or they get damaged. All right, now the hose is polyester mixed with different types of material, and it has this plastic in here, so if you're trying to bend it down, it won't damage the water hose. It protects it, and these are the washers I'm talking about that you need to replace once in a while. Now they included the actual water hose and nozzle. You guys can see it. Very simple, just press the button. You could tighten it up in here. You go keep it automatic by holding this thing down automatically, and then the different types of actual nozzles that are going to come out. If you guys can see, there's a lot of different ones, and we're going to try them out too. But look at this, beautiful. It's long and durable. I'm going to put it to use, see how well it works. All right, so if you guys can see, it's tangle free. It goes all the way over there. It's close. It's really long. I like that it's tangle free. You don't have to worry about anything but to turn it on.